Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix the iPhone brightness not working. It's a very simple tutorial, so please make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. The first thing you want to do is basically understand that there's two options. First, you might have a faulty display. Second, I'll just show you how to simply turn on the brightness on and off. You want to swipe right on your iPhone and just use the brightness right here. If that does not work for you, chances are you have one of these options on. So you want to have, if you have it set the same way I do, it should work fine for you. The next thing you want to do is go over to settings, click on general, click on the about tab, and here it should say if you have an aftermarket display or if you have some non-genuine display, and if the issues are from it, you might see it here. The next thing you want to do is go over to your brightness settings right here, displays and brightness, and you want to make sure you turn it on and off here. And I also have true tone on, night shift off. So that's pretty much all you have to do. If you're still having any issues, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. If the video did help you out, hit the like button. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, and I want to see you in the next one. Bye.